Hello, friends. Today I have brought a song from a very popular movie, Nadiya Ke Paar, for you. I'll be explaining you the lyrics of this song in English. I'll be translating it for you. This movie and the songs that you hear in this movie are made in Awadhi language. Many people claim that all the dialogues and the lyrics in this movie are from Bhojpuri language, but trust me, it is not. See, both Awadhi and Bhojpuri are similar languages, not same but similar languages. So that is why people from the Bhojpur region, the people who speak Bhojpuri, they might feel that this is Bhojpuri, but it is not. There are some words like bhaya. I'll give you one example here. Jab se bhaya tumhara pag phera. If it would have been in Bhojpuri, it would have been jab se bhail तोहार पग फेरा or something else, but that word bhaya would have been bhail. Okay, so there are many more examples which I can quote here, but because the video will get long, so I'll cut this short. And uh, I'll just tell you that the dialogues and the lyrics used in this movie are in a neutralized form of the language. Okay, so without getting into more details, let's start with the translation. Sachi kahe tore avan se hamre. It means, shall I tell you the truth? Since the day you have arrived. Sachi kahe. It means, should I tell the truth? Tore avan se hamre. I mean, the moment you've arrived. Hamre आंगन में आई बहार भौजी. It means, since the day you have arrived, our home has been blessed with spring season. Bahar is spring season. As we all know that spring season is a symbol of happiness. It is a symbol of a new start, a new beginning. So, brother-in-law or a person, he is addressing his sister-in-law, and he is saying, "Shall I tell you the truth? Since the day you have arrived, our home has been blessed with spring season." लक्ष्मी की सूरत, ममता की मूरत. He is now comparing his sister-in-law with goddess Lakshmi. He says that, my sister-in-law, your face is like goddess Lakshmi, right? And you are like a mother figure for me. You are like a mother to me. So he says, my sister-in-law has a face like goddess Lakshmi, and my sister-in-law is like a mother figure for me. My sister-in-law is one in millions. लाखों में एक हमार भौजी. लाखों is millions. So my sister-in-law is one in millions. Again, the first phrase repeats. सांची कहे तोरे आवन से हमरे अंगना में आई बहार भौजी. Shall I tell you the truth? Since the day you have arrived, our home has been blessed with spring season. तुलसी की सेवा, चंद्रमा की पूजा. तुलसी की सेवा, चंद्रमा की पूजा. If you listen to it carefully, it is Chanarma or Chandrama. Chandrama is moon. So in India, Hindus worship uh, the Tulsi plant or the basil plant. Okay, so every home used to have a Tulsi plant in the center, and people used to worship it. People used to serve it. So this used to be a custom earlier. So he says that uh, we have started worshipping Tulsi plant and the moon again. And in our home, we can feel the folk songs like Kajri and Chaita. So these are a kind of folk song sung in the northern Awadhi and Bhojpuri region as well. So he feels that since the day his sister-in-law has arrived at his home, he can feel the echo of these folk songs, and he's happy, right? And he also says that since the day she has arrived at their home, he realized that there are so many other festivals in life other than Phagua. Earlier, he knew that there is only one festival that they celebrate, and that is Phagua or Holi. But now, since the day she has arrived, their their life has changed, right? He and his brothers' lives have changed, and now they know that this world is full of happiness and is very colorful. And now they know that there are other festivals as well apart from Phagua that they knew. Again, the first phrase repeats, Sachi kahe tore awan se हमरे अंगना में आई बहार भौजी. Then he says, ये घर था भूतन का डेरा. So he says that this home was like a place for devils. जब से भया तुम्हारा पग फेरा. Since the day you stepped in. So this home was like a place for devils. But since the day you stepped in, दुनिया बदल गई हालत संभल गई. Our world has changed. दुनिया बदल गई. World has changed. हालत संभल गई. Our condition has improved. Our situation has improved. अन्न धन के लागे भंडार भौजी. अन्न धन. अन्न is food, cereals. Dhan is money. Lage bhandar bhauji. Bhandar is like a store, right? Abundance. So he says that since the day you arrived, this home which used to be like a place for devils, right? And it has changed. Our world has changed. Our situation has improved. Our condition has improved. Our home is now full of food and money. We are like a rich family now, right? We are blessed now. सांची कहे तोरे आवन से हमरे अंगना में आई बहार भौजी. Then this phrase repeats again. Then he says, बचपन से हम काका कही कही के हारे. So this person who is singing the song, he was a child. He says that from my childhood, I've been just saying Kaka, Kaka. He's addressing his uncle. Uncle is known as Kaka in Awadhi and Bhojpuri. So he says that since I was a child, I've been just saying Kaka, Kaka. But I wish that if basically he wants that there should be a child in their home who can address him as well as Kaka. He wants to become a Kaka for a child. So that's why he says, बचपन से हम काका कही कही के हारे. आई एम फेड अप ऑफ सेइंग काका काका फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड. कोई हमें भी तो काका पुकारे. Someone should call me काका as well. दई दे भतीजा फुलवा सरीखा. Give me a nephew like a flower. So basically, he's asking for a small kid from his sister-in-law, right? मानेंगे हम उपकार भौजी. I'll be very thankful to you, my sister-in-law. So this is what he's saying. Again, the phrase repeats. सांची कहे तोरे आवन से हमरे अंगना में आई बहार भौजी. And next is लक्ष्मी की सूरत, ममता की मूरत, लाखों में एक हमार भौजी. My sister-in-law has a face like goddess Lakshmi, and she's like a mother to me. And my sister-in-law is one in millions. So you can see how beautiful these lyrics are. Of course, we cannot convert the feelings, right? Uh, exactly in English. I mean, I'll not be able to explain what exactly these words in Awadhi mean, right, for the viewers. The people who speak this language, only they can relate with these lyrics. I can just try to give you a basic idea of what this song is all about. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for being with us. If you wish to learn more about Awadhi language, you can log on to learnawadhilanguage.blogspot.com. I have given this translation in text form in that blog as well. Thanks for watching.